It's been a long day and I'm just getting ready to do a quick, easy dinner. This is going to be kind of a comfort meal. My husband loves cabbage and potatoes, so that's what we're going to use is cabbage and potatoes. And it's going to be sprinkled with a little bit of lemon, oregano, chili powder, salt and pepper, and baked in the oven. And then there is a nice dressing that goes over this, and I'll show you what that's made of in just a few minutes. This is going to go in the oven to roast covered for 20 or 25 minutes and then uncovered for another 20 minutes. So that'll give me time to put this in the oven and make the dressing that goes over it, which should only take a few minutes, and maybe even sit down and have a little bit of time to relax before dinner. So a wonderful option for a recipe for someone like me, a non-cook. As I have said in the past, I am non-cook Natalie. I just took the foil off. It smells absolutely wonderful, and it has about 20 more minutes just to roast it. So the dressing, I'm going to make it real quick. It's going to be a combination of cashews usually, but I already have some walnut cream that I have already blended, and I'm going to use that with cilantro. Oh, this is a little bit of red chili, or it also calls for a little Tabasco, so a little bit of heat if you want it. Some lemon, garlic, and this is just red pepper flakes if I want to use that instead. But either way, you make it as hot or spicy as you want, and that's what I'm going to do next. So here it is right out of the oven. I'm going to put it on the plates with the dressing over it, and we will give it a try. So there we have it, a dinner of roasted potatoes and cabbage with a cilantro dressing. This is from Forks Over Knives. Nice, easy comfort meal for the end of the week.